Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know, my name is Tiara. Thank you so much for tuning in. And so I've been taking you guys on a journey, my first time home buying experience. And so now, as you can see behind me, I finally got my first delivery of furniture. It's my sectional couch in my living room. It's the Cindy Crawford Tribeca Loft home collection. And let's just want to read off a little bit of, some of the details of this couch. It is upholstered in beige plush woven chenille fabric. The sectional is embellished with bold nail head accents and padded track arms for an elegant touch. It has a blend of feather with accent pillows, and complementing colors completes the look. And it has the feather blend seat cushions with gel memory foam. So let me tell you one thing. When I first sat on this couch in the showroom, it's like I literally fell into the couch. Let me show you what I did. Like literally just like this. And I love the fact that this couch, it pretty much, engulfs my whole body, because I like to feel like I'm in the couch, like literally in it. And I will say this couch pretty much lives up to the quality. It's so in the showroom, it was more plush, but because it's brand spanking new, it's a little bit more firm. So, you have to weigh it in a little bit, and it comes with these beautiful, beautiful pillows. And it's funny because my color scheme was actually going to be like blues and maybe like teal greens. But because these pillows are so beautiful and they're so like just strong, these are like some really strong pillows, I just don't want to waste them. So I'm thinking about maybe putting them on my bed. Well, some of them on my bed, and then changing my color scheme, because I started buying like teal accent chairs for my breakfast bar. But I'm just not sure because I don't want to waste them. They're so beautiful and they're just very structured. And I will say it does feel like, the pillows come with the couch, and it does feel like they gave me too many pillows. I mean, that sounds like weird to complain about. It's not really a complaint. It's just so many pillows on the couch. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pillows. So as you can see, it goes all the way here, and then this is the part in the middle, the second piece, and then over here. So I could literally fit like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could probably fit like 6 or 7 people on this one couch, just because. And then especially like when I'm sitting all the way back in it, my feet, look at y'all don't talk about me, but look at my feet. They don't even touch the floor. I know, don't talk about my feet. But yeah, feet don't touch the floor. I'm completely all the way back into the couch. It just feels like really great quality. I love the detailing down here. This is like one of my favorite details of the couch. It's neutral. It matches the whole house. Majority of the colors in my home are gray. I do have gray cabinets, and the kitchen blends right into the living room. So, everything pretty much flows in here. And so I will show you. This was the color scheme that I was going to go with these pillows. And this color, and these colors. And then even my stools. Show you my stools. So, you can see I have the teal stools with the gold accents on the bottom. And so, yeah, I was going to go with that color scheme, but we'll see how I feel. I really want to just, you know, get some use out of these pillows first and then maybe switch. So yeah, I would highly recommend this couch. Not only the aesthetic, it's pretty much on point with modern luxury, just the comfort, and as well as just, it feels like a couch that's gonna be here for years to come. You know, Rooms to Go, Cindy Crawford, everybody on the whole team, you guys did a great job with this couch. All right, so if you have any questions, just let me know. And stay tuned because I literally did my son's room for the whole entire room, bed, mattress, everything included, for under $800. So stay tuned because I'm going to be showing you guys my little toddler's room. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.